Welcome to this quick guide on how to use the announcements feature in your HR space. In this video, we'll cover how to create and edit announcements and how to send or schedule them. We will also share some useful tips at the end. If you'd like, follow along in your own YourHR space portal. So let's get started. Let's begin by creating a new announcement. From the dashboard, go to Your Account and select Announcements from within the HR Tools area. Then click Create Announcement in the top right. You can choose a Save Template from the drop-down, or type your message in the message box. Here you can use the toolbar to format text, add a table, insert links, or even add images. To reuse your message later, just give it a title and click Save as Template. You can send to all users or select individual users, holiday groups, access levels, departments, or locations from the drop-down menu. For messages to all users, you can post to the main dashboard, or you can make it sticky where it will always appear visible at the top. You can also set how long it appears on the dashboard and add an icon from the library. Leave the schedule field empty to send your announcement immediately, or you can set a future date. You can also use the repeat feature to have the message resent automatically at a frequency you choose. To send the full message by email, put a tick in the box, and when you're ready, just click Save. After sending, users will see a red dot in Messages at the top of the main dashboard. If you selected all users, the announcement will appear on the main dashboard. Clicking View All lets users see all of the announcements. If you need to edit a scheduled message, click the pen icon and make your changes, then click Save. To delete an announcement, just click the rubbish bin icon. To update a template, simply select Create Announcement and find the template you're wanting to update. Go ahead and make your changes. Then to save this, click the tick icon or enter a new name to save as a new template. To remove a template, find it in the drop-down and click the rubbish bin icon. Before we go, here are some useful tips to help you make the most out of the announcements feature. You can view an audit trail of all past announcements, helpful for tracking communications, especially around policy or law changes. If you'd like some examples of announcements to set up, these could be a biannual reminder for employees to book annual leave, or you may wish to notify users to review key policies and include a direct link. And you could also welcome new starters to the team. Lastly, if you manage your own content and documents in editable pages, use the Announcements tool to share updates with employees, such as your risk assessments, operational manuals, or industry-specific policies. For more information on editable pages, contact team@YourHR.space. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to stay updated with more of our practical how-to videos.